I should have known better. I put this cup right here at the corner, thinking it was gonna fly. Hell nah. It didn't fly. It did the exact opposite of fly. That shit just gave me about a half hour of fucking chores. I can't believe this bullshit. It's already bad enough my back's hurting like a motherfucker. Now I gotta go clean up some damn UK. Chewing tobacco spit water. This is bullshit. Man. And I gotta remake the whole drink. Maybe I could just remake the drink in the dishwasher. Maybe that'll save me some damn time.